Something big just dropped inside one of the most powerful marketing platforms on the planet. It's new, it's live right now, and almost nobody is talking about it yet. This AI can answer phone calls, qualify your leads, and update your CRM without a single human ever touching the phone. And it just got powered by one of the most intelligent AI models ever built. If you've been sleeping on voice AI, consider this your wake-up call. Hey there, so if you're new here, I'm Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy helping businesses with Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I'm here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And hey, if you're serious about landing some AI subscription-based customers, grab my AI Cashflow Masterclass that I'm currently offering for free. The link is in the description. All right, now let's get into it. So let me start with exactly what just happened. HighLevel, one of the biggest all-in-one marketing platforms used by agencies and business owners worldwide, just officially added Claude from Anthropic as a selectable AI model inside their voice AI system. That means when you build an AI phone agent inside HighLevel, you can now choose Claude, specifically Claude Sonnet or Claude Haiku, as the actual brain powering those calls, not a basic chatbot, not some generic AI voice reading a script. Claude, one of the most capable reasoning models on the market right now. This matters way more than most people realize, and I'm going to show you exactly why and how people are already building this into a real income stream. Let me give you some context on what's happening in the market because the numbers are kind of insane. Voice AI costs roughly 40 cents per call to run. Compare that to a human agent who costs between $7 and $12 per call. That's a 90 to 95% reduction in cost per call. And Gartner, one of the biggest research firms in the world, is projecting that conversational AI will cut $80 billion in contact center labor costs this year alone. $80 billion. That's not a rounding error. That's a full industry shift. And here's the thing, most small business owners don't even know yet. Most small businesses miss 60% of their inbound calls. Every one of those missed calls is a lead that just called your competitor instead. That's the exact gap a well-built AI voice agent solves. The phone gets answered every single time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, no sick days, no overtime. Okay, so here's where I want to slow down because there's a mistake I see people making all the time with voice AI, and it's killing their results. Most people who set up an AI phone agent treat it like a fancy answering machine. They write a basic script, they press go, they wait for magic to happen, and then they're confused when it doesn't perform. That's not how this works. The real power of pairing Claude with a voice agent setup is in the reasoning layer. See, most basic AI models will follow a script fine, but the moment someone goes off script, they fall apart. Someone objects. Someone asks a weird question. Someone says something unexpected, and the agent just freezes up or repeats itself. That's embarrassing for your client, and it gets the agent turned off fast. Claude is different. Claude can hold context through an entire conversation. It can reason through an objection naturally. It can ask a follow-up question that actually makes sense. It can adapt. That's what turns a phone call from a robotic experience into something that actually converts. So the mistake is treating this like automation. The winning move is treating it like hiring a very smart employee who never sleeps and never forgets anything about your business. Okay, let me walk you through how this actually comes together. Inside HighLevel's Agent Studio, you can now build a voice AI agent and assign Claude as the model powering the conversation. You give the agent a name, a personality, a goal, and training material. That material can be a business's website, a service menu PDF, a FAQ document, whatever you want the agent to know about the business it's representing. Once it's live, the agent picks up inbound calls, walks callers through a natural qualification process, books them into a calendar, and pushes all of that data straight into your CRM pipeline automatically. No human required. One call happens, CRM gets updated, appointment gets booked, and that whole cycle can repeat hundreds of times per day across every client you've set this up for. And it works outbound too. When a lead fills out a form or clicks an ad, the agent can call them back within seconds while they're still in buying mode. Research shows leads contacted within 1 minute convert at dramatically higher rates than leads followed up an hour later. Most businesses take 47 hours on average to follow up. An AI agent changes that to seconds. Let me pause here for a second, because if you're watching this and thinking, okay, I get it, but where do I actually start? That's exactly what my free AI Cashflow Masterclass covers. It walks you through the exact AI services businesses are paying monthly for. how to find clients who are already behind on AI and ready to move, and how to turn all of that into a real repeatable offer. It's free. Link in description and top comment. Now let's keep going. Now I want to speak directly to you for a second, wherever you're watching this from. Here's something I'll be honest about. I used to hate selling. I genuinely couldn't stand the idea of calling someone and convincing them to buy something. It felt fake. It felt uncomfortable. And honestly, it's part of why I kept looking for something different. What I like about building AI phone agent systems for businesses is that it flips that whole script. You're not out there convincing anyone of anything. You're showing them a working system. You let the demo do the talking. The business owner hears their phone getting answered by an AI. They watch their calendar fill up automatically. That sells itself. Right now, agencies are building and selling AI voice agent setups for between $200 and $500 per month per client. Some more complex builds go even higher. That's monthly recurring revenue. And after the setup is done, the agent just keeps running on its own. Think about every local business that lives and dies by its phones. Dentists, HVAC contractors, lawyers, real estate teams, home services businesses. These are people losing leads every single day to missed calls and slow follow-up, and most of them have no idea a solution like this even exists. You show up with a working demo, that's not a hard sell. That's a problem solved in real time. Here's something that most people teaching this stuff aren't saying yet, and I think it's one of the most important pieces of the puzzle. Don't lead with the technology, lead with the problem. When you walk into a conversation with a small business owner, they don't care about AI models or voice pipelines. What they care about is missed calls, lost leads, slow follow-up, and staff who quit every 6 months. Those are real pain points, real costs they feel every month. So instead of saying, hey, I have an AI phone agent, you say, hey, what happens when someone calls your business at 9 at night on a Saturday? What happens to those leads? Let them tell you the gap, and then you show them the solution. That framing changes everything. You're not a tech person selling something foreign. You're someone who just fixed a problem they already knew they had. That's a completely different conversation. The voice AI market is growing at over 34% per year. By 2034, projections put it near $47 billion in market size. The businesses that figure this out now and the people helping them do it are going to have a real edge. One more thing I want to make sure you hear before I wrap this up. There's a big difference between building one of these AI voice setups inside a platform that does everything, calls, CRM, follow-up sequences, calendar bookings, pipelines, versus piecing together 5 different tools and hoping they talk to each other. When everything lives in one place, the compounding effect kicks in. The call happens, the CRM updates, the follow-up text goes out, the pipeline moves, all of that fires from one trigger. No duct tape, no breakage. That's what makes this the kind of setup you can charge a real monthly fee for, and something the business owner sees value in every single day. And the all-in-one software included in my free AI Cashflow Masterclass runs on exactly this kind of infrastructure. I think it's genuinely one of the best tools available for building and selling AI-powered services to local businesses, and it comes with a free 30-day trial. So here's the bottom line. Claude just became available inside HighLevel Voice AI. That's a real live update that you can go use right now. It means you can build AI phone agents that actually reason through real conversations, handle objections, and connect to a full marketing and CRM system without writing a single line of code. The businesses that need this are literally everywhere. The pricing model is clean and recurring. And honestly, the window to be one of the first people in front of local businesses with this, that window is open right now. It won't stay open forever. You're here watching this video for a reason. You're the kind of person who pays attention when something new hits. And that matters more than you might think, because in AI right now, being a few months early is worth a lot. So go grab the free AI Cashflow Masterclass. Inside, you'll get a step-by-step breakdown of how to turn all of this into a real income stream. You'll get access to a free 30-day trial of the software I use to run my own agency and get clients. And you can join AI Control Room, my free community of thousands of people who are building AI-powered businesses and sharing exactly what's working right now. The link is in the description and in the top comment. Drop a comment below and let me know. Are you already using any kind of AI for phone automation? Or is this brand new to you? I read every single comment. See you in the next one.